How to download YouTube videos, official method. First, open up the browser on your computer. Go right up to the search bar at the top, type in youtube.com, and hit enter. Next, just find and open up the exact video you want to save for later. Once the video is open, look right below the video player where the channel name and the share button are. You'll see a button that says Download. Click on that. Now, a little menu is going to pop up asking you to choose your video quality. If you are using a standard account, you can choose between standard or low quality. If you have YouTube Premium, you'll unlock the sharper Full HD or high quality options. Pick the one you want, click that final download button, and that's it. Just wait a few moments for the download to finish. Your video is now saved directly in your YouTube Downloads tab, completely ready for your next offline adventure. If this quick walkthrough saved you some headache, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.